Measuring spoon?
Yeah.
Dump it in.
Pen.
Yeah, go ahead.
Bash.
And then stir it up.
Say, Mommy.
Why are you sorry?
Joe.
Are you stirring?
Joe.
No, we don't need anything from the drawer. Can you dump the box back in? Dump the box in again. Good job. Mix it up.
Spoon.
Oh, spoon? Okay. Good job.